Kriyo sa Kansebos Makbayan and welcome back to my channel. Our corn crop this year did better than last year, even although not all of them grew big, but overall it's much better. In the 21st century, corn plays an essential role in our society and worldwide food supply. It's a significant part of our food. We feed it to animals, and it's also used to produce fuel and various products in factories. The top 5 corn exporting countries in the world are the United States of America, Brazil, Argentina, Ukraine, and France. In Austria, they use corn to feed animals, make food, and create energy in special places called biogas facilities. And now I'm taking you on a bike ride along the cornfields. I hope I was able to entertain you again, and if you want to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching mga kabayan. God bless us all and see you next time.